Hello there. If you are watching this video, I assume you have already downloaded the Public Testnet wallet and are participating in the quests, collecting plasma points. If you are new, check the video in the description to know how to set up the wallet and participate in the incentivized stage. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to spawn a pillar on the Zenon Testnet. This is an updated video from my last one, as some of the commands have changed. The community is growing with many new members. Hope this video is helpful. You will need a VPS, a virtual private server account, and a PC. At the time of recording this video, pillar requirements are 15,000 ZNNs and 400,000 QSRs. The QSR requirements keep on increasing by 10,000 after every pillar being registered. So the earlier the better. First, we will set up a VPS account, for those who haven't got one. For this tutorial, we will use UpCloud. It has a good reputation with no downtime. Fill in the required details to sign up. In the promo code type 98J4W7. This will give you a $25 credit for a free trial. Manually top up another $15 as we will be using the $40 per month package spawning the pillar. And then click on Deploy Server. Once deployed, choose your server. I chose Singapore for this tutorial, as their 24/7 free customer service and technical support is something I am very happy with. Next, choose your package. We will choose the $40 package, which gives you 4 cores processor and 8 GB RAM. Next, choose the operating system. We will choose Ubuntu 20.4 LTS. Scroll down to the bottom, fill in the description if you want to, it is not mandatory. And then click Deploy. Once deployed, you will get an email with your username and password. You can also see them in the notifications. Okay, next open the PowerShell app on your PC. Please note, every space, every caps matter. So copy and paste it as is. There will be a list of all the commands in the description of the YouTube video. Type SSH, space, root, or the username provided by the VPS provider. Followed by @, followed by the IP address, which will be on the home page of UpCloud. Press enter. It will ask you for your password. Enter the password that was emailed to you by UpCloud. Or check the notification on the UpCloud homepage. The first thing we will do is change your password, for security reasons. Once logged in into the server, type in PASSWD, it will prompt you to key in the new password. Next, we will update, upgrade and install the NTP, which is the Network Time Protocol service. It is very straightforward. Type in apt update, with space in between. It will run and install the updates for Ubuntu. Followed by apt upgrade. And then type or paste apt get install NTP. It will install the NTP service. Restart the server once it is done. You can do that from the home page of UpCloud. Now let's start with launching the pillar. Copy and paste. You can find all these commands in the pastebin. Link is in the description of this video. 1. apt install zip. 2. wget//testnet.cnn.space/downloads/CNN Public Incentivized Testnet Bundle Linux AMD64.zip. 3. unzip ZNN Public Incentivized Testnet Bundle Linux AMD64.zip. 4. chmod plus x ZNND. 5. chmod plus x ZNN CLI. 6. chmod plus x ZNN deployer. 7. ls-la. Once you key in ls-la, you should see ZNND, ZNN CLI, and ZNN deployer in green. Next paste or key in .znn-cli, enable our PC and then .znn-deployer. You will get a list of options. Choose number 4, which is Configure Unregistered Pillar. Click Enter. This will generate a public address and password. Copy this address. Now go back to Sirius Wallet, select Spawn Pillar, deposit the required QSR and ZNNs. Name your pillar. Paste the pillar reward address, your Sirius Wallet address, public producer address, the one that was generated on the server, and click Register. Now go back to the server, PowerShell, paste the below .znn-deployer key in number 6, which is check node status. It should confirm you have a pillar registered, and the wallet address will show. Next, paste or type .znn-cli wallet.create from mnemonic. Your Sirius mnemonic password goes in between these quotations and then your Sirius password. The Sirius mnemonic password is the set of 24 seed words generated during the setup of the Sirius wallet, followed with your wallet password. Use the apostrophe and observe the space between the seed words. Alright, we are almost done. Next, paste or type .znn-deployer. Choose option number 3, configure registered pillar. Then you will get 3 options, 2 having wallet addresses, and the last option is import wallet. Choose the option which has your Sirius wallet address, by typing either 1 or 2. Press enter. Then you will get a drop-down with 10 options. Look for the producer address that was generated. If you don't see it, you will see your wallet address. Choose your wallet address then. Should work fine. Last step, paste or type .znn-cl start ZNND. In a couple of minutes, you should be generating rewards. To check if it's generating momentum rewards, you can paste or type in .znn-cli pillar.list. You can see on the screen the pillar is successfully registered and generating rewards. You can also go the Explorer and check at explorer.znn.space-pillars. If in 5 to 10 minutes, rewards are not generating, type in or paste ./znn-cli resync and check again. Follow the commands from the pastebin, which you will find in the description of this video. It may look very technical, but it's not once you get the hang of it. You can reach out to me on Telegram or comment on this video if you are having trouble spawning it successfully. You can also reach out to the community on the official Zenon Telegram channel. Lastly, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.